Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you how to make Litchi mango delight. First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. After that, you have to pour 90 ml of lychee juice. Then you have to add some lychee crush. Then you have to add lemon juice. Then shake all the ingredients properly. Then take any type of fancy glass and pour all the mixture into the fancy glass. After that, what will do? Take a glass, add some mango juice and add some. If you have mango juice, you can add. I am adding some. And mixed fruit juice. Then you have to add some soda. After that, with the help of bar spoon, just add some more soda. Okay. Then slowly pour all the mixture with the help of bar spoon. So this is a lychee mango delight mocktail. You can garnish the mocktail with some mango slices and mint leaf. This is the lychee mango delight mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video.